Welcome to another exciting episode of Doug's Electronic Repair Bench.
Morning, YouTube. Sitting here waiting on Don, that's 19stoney64, to show up. And we're going to go out to breakfast and talk a little bit. You know, he has a meeting here in town. So I think it's at 10 o'clock. So I went ahead and got up and got a shower and got ready this morning and been sitting here watching videos all morning. So also on this video, I'm going to look at a new electronics course that Paul Carlson of Mr. Carlson's Lab is going to put together, or has put together, I should say. And I believe, I'm not really sure on all the details, but there'll be a link in my description to look at his introduction to it on YouTube. And I believe it's a low-cost thing, maybe $2 per month. It's not going to cost very much, but this guy could teach you how to do anything. I mean, he's just that good. And if you have any desire at all to learn more about electronics, and if you think you would like to learn, I urge you to check that out. And if nothing else, watch some of his videos if you haven't seen those. Like I say, he is just an excellent teacher, and he's very, very knowledgeable about electronics. So, yeah, this is Don.
Little camera.
Yeah, it's a little Kodak. It works pretty good. And we're going to eat breakfast here at the Townhouse Cafe. So we'll go in there and see how it is. Well, we're done with breakfast, huh? Back to the house we go, I guess.
Are we at? We both in there?
No, that's a.
Can you do it that way?
Does you mean look this? It looks like this. I can turn around that way. I can't see it. But
oh, okay. It doesn't do like this.
No, it's not like that. It's the easy to use little camera. I mean, like I said. Oh, there goes Don. He's leaving. He's got a Crosley meeting here in town. Well, we went out to breakfast earlier, and we'll sit here and talk for a while. And he dropped off a speaker for me to look at. So I'll be doing that. So always fun to meet another fellow YouTuber. So I think that's about all I'm going to do today. I have girls coming sometime to clean today, and I think I'll do that. I may work on that Zenith a little bit if things get too boring, but after getting it working last night, I'm kind of in a not work on that mood. So anyway, I'll close this out and maybe upload this little visit with Don. So have a good one.
Hi there, and welcome to Mr. Carlson's Lab. In a previous episode, I posed the question to see how many of you out there would be interested in a scratch build of a Nixie tube frequency counter, and the response was really quite overwhelmingly positive. So that's what we're going to do. So when you're looking at a schematic, the standard diagram for a Nixie tube is an oval with an upside down T. The upside down T is the plate or anode, just like in a normal vacuum tube. You should familiarize yourself with high voltage and vacuum tube circuits before you attempt any kind of circuit like this. If you're following along, you're doing so at your own risk. Just take care. Now, this isn't a critical value at all because this transistor isn't operating at any kind of set point. It's basically just turned on hard. So it's just basically acting as close to a switch as possible. And that's how you do the math in order to figure out the value of this resistor right here. So what's happening is every digit inside this tube is connected to a collector of one of these transistors here. So we have 10 transistors, 0 through 9, inside that Nixie tube. Thanks for stopping by the lab today. Hope you enjoyed this episode about understanding the Nixie tube. If you did, you can let me know by giving me a big thumbs up and hang around. So until next time, take care. Bye for now.